Alright, gonna take a look here at the future Windy City Sports Bar and Grill. They got the football field painted up there. That's kind of cool. They have an El Michelle peeking in the window. Let's see what we can see. Looks like a lot more has come along, I think. I don't know, it's hard to tell. This way. Oh, looks like they're giving some love to the Green Bay Packers up there, right where you order. Ooh, a peek at the menu. They have nachos. Yeah. Aw, never mind. That's old signs. Knox Nachos, Gates of Hell Burger, Ringmaster's Wings, Graveyard Rocks, and nachos, El Nacho Grande, and pulled pork waffle fries. It's still the old sign. They say the nachos won't be coming back. R.I.P.